In this video, we are going to write a polynomial given these roots. Now, the first thing you need to know is that imaginary roots, also called zeros, by the way, imaginary roots or zeros always occur in pairs, one positive and one negative. So if negative 3i is a root or zero, then positive 3i is also a root. So it looks like I gave you two roots, but really you're being given three. Each one of these is going to correspond to a factor of the polynomial. Negative 3 would come from a factor of x plus 3. Imagine setting this equal to 0 and solving, you would get negative 3. Now, let's see. Similarly, negative 3i would come from a factor of x plus 3i, and positive 3i would come from a factor of x minus 3i. So all I really need to do to find a polynomial is multiply these together. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's see, I'm going to start by multiplying these two imaginary factors together. So I'm going to double distribute like this. First I distribute the x. X times x is x squared. X times negative 3i is negative 3ix. Okay, now I'm going to distribute the 3i. 3i times x is 3ix. 3i times negative 3i is negative 9i squared. Interesting. Well, boys and girls, the 3ix terms cancel each other out. Furthermore, I squared is negative 1. Negative 9 times negative 1 is positive 9. So no more i's. I'm just going to bring down the x squared. Okay, so I have that. Meanwhile, I still have my x plus 3. So I'm going to bring that down too. Alright, so I multiplied these pink parts together and I got x squared plus 9. But now I need to multiply the x plus 3 times the x squared plus 9. So once again, I am going to do the double distributive property. Okay, so first I will distribute the x. X times x squared is going to be x to the third power. X times 9 is 9x. Now I distribute the 3. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times 9 is 27. There are no like terms, but these two terms are out of order from what we are used to. Well, out of order from standard form, which should be decreasing exponent order. So I will rearrange these into standard form. So that would be x to the third power plus 3x squared, just brought that over, plus 9x, just move that over, plus 27. Alright, let's just throw an f of x equals in front of it to make it official. And there is our polynomial. Now let's see which answer that is. Well, that matches up with option A.